In this video, we'll see how to open a Monzo account. Start by downloading the Monzo app. Tap the download button or search for Monzo in the App Store or Google Play Store. When the app is downloaded, open it and fill in your personal details like your home address, email and phone number. Since Monzo is a regulated bank, you'll need to answer a few questions about your job and how you plan to use your account. Next, you need to verify your identity. You'll be asked to upload a picture of your ID and take a quick selfie video. Monzo will compare the video with your ID to ensure that you are who you say you are. Once your card arrives in the mail, follow the instructions in the Monzo app to activate it, and your card should arrive within a few days. And that's it, you're all set with your new Monzo account. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.